Good day, students. Today, we'll be discussing the job market for cabin crew and the aviation industry as a whole, with a focus on the numbers and examples that illustrate the current state of the industry. The aviation industry is a massive industry that provides jobs for millions of people worldwide. According to the International Air Transport Association, IATA, the global aviation industry supported 87.7 million jobs and generated $3.5 trillion in economic activity in 2019. The demand for cabin crew members has increased significantly in recent years. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of flight attendants is projected to grow by 17% from 2019 to 2029, which is much faster than the average for all occupations. This growth is attributed to the increasing demand for air travel and the retirement of older flight attendants. However, the job market for cabin crew members is highly competitive. Airlines receive numerous applications for every available position, and the selection process is rigorous. For example, Emirates, one of the world's largest airlines, received over 144,000 applications for cabin crew positions in 2019. Out of these, only 8,000 candidates were invited for an assessment, and only 5% of them were offered a job. Furthermore, the aviation industry is currently facing a significant shortage of skilled personnel, including cabin crew members. According to Boeing's Pilot and Technician Outlook 2020 to 2039, the industry will need 645,000 new commercial airline pilots and 828,000 new cabin crew members by 2039 to keep up with the demand for air travel. This shortage presents an opportunity for individuals looking to join the industry. Airlines are continually seeking qualified candidates to fill the open positions. For example, Qantas, Australia's flag carrier, recently announced plans to hire 5,000 new employees, including cabin crew members, over the next 3 years. However, the aviation industry is also subject to various economic factors that can affect job security. For instance, the industry has experienced significant financial challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic. According to IATA, the global airline industry lost $26.4 billion in 2020, and the number of jobs supported by the industry decreased by 4.8 million. Nonetheless, with the rollout of vaccines and the easing of travel restrictions, the industry is slowly recovering. According to IATA, global passenger demand in January 2022 was 62.3% below pre-COVID levels, which is an improvement from the 65.2% decline in December 2021. In conclusion, the job market for cabin crew and the aviation industry as a whole presents excellent opportunities for individuals looking for a career in this field. However, the industry is highly competitive, and candidates need to have the necessary qualifications and skills to secure a job. The aviation industry also faces various economic challenges, which can affect job security. Nonetheless, with its continued growth and recovery, the aviation industry remains an exciting and rewarding industry to work in. Thank you for attending today's lecture, and I would greatly appreciate your feedback on today's lecture. Kindly answer the following questions to help me assess your learning experience. What were the main takeaways from today's lecture? Did any examples or case studies stand out in enhancing your understanding?